Hello everyone, I'm Milad and I'm passionate about React, like deeply in love with it. Today I have some exciting news for you. I'm launching a new video series all about React under the hood. This series is for everyone, whether you are a React beginner or a seasoned pro. Why is it important to learn how React works under the hood, you might ask? And I know most of you have your own answers. But in order to answer this question, I'd say at the least with this information, you can write better performing code. But if you think about it a little bit more, there are always some deeper questions in our minds. Like, what happens behind the hooks? Or what is fiber? How does React have such high performance? How does reconciliation and re-rendering happen? Where is virtual DOM? And where does functional programming fit into the story? In this series, we'll go on an exciting journey. We'll dive into main packages inside React official repository, where core functionalities reside. Why is it helpful to explore the React source code on GitHub? By exploring the React source code, you can become a React spy. Along the way, we'll meet the concept, like we'll talk about JSX and how it operates under the hood. We'll talk about React element and how it differs from a DOM element. We'll delve deep into the world of virtual DOM. We'll also be coding along the way, and we'll even rewrite parts of the React code base to help us understand the concepts better. At the end, I want to ask for a feedback on how you want me to continue. Would you like me to focus more on explaining the concepts or more on exploring the React code base itself? Please like and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for future React videos. Thank you for your support. And one more thing, leave your React questions in the comments below and let's explore the world of React together. I can't wait to hear from you.